Sentence Completion 1, Level 1. Directions. Complete the sentence using the word or set of words for each blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. Number 1. Blue is A, food, B, number, C, color, D, car. Blue is A, food, B, number, C, color, D, car. Answer is letter C, color. Blue is a color. Number 2. Russia is A country, B, city, C, street, D, number. Russia is A country, B, city, C, street, D, number. Answer is letter A, is a country. Russia is a country. Number 3. Tennis is A country, B, sport, C, fruit, D, color. Tennis is A country, B, sport, C, fruit, D, color. Answer is sport. Tennis is a sport. Letter B. Number 4. An apple is A fruit, B, number, C, language, D, color. An apple is A fruit, B, number, C, language, D, color. Answer is fruit. An apple is a fruit. Letter A. Number 5. A rose is A food, B, number, C, plant, D, car. A rose is A food, B, number, C, plant, D, car. Answer is letter C. A rose is a plant. Number 6. English is A city, B, sport, C, number, D, language. English is A city, B, sport, C, number, D, language. English is a language. It's letter D. Number 7. 5 is A color, B, number, C, city, D, language. 5 is A color, B, number, C, city, D, language. Answer is 5 is a number. Letter B. Number 8. A dog is A color, B, a country, C, a city, D, an animal. A dog is A color, B, a country, C, a city, D, an animal. Answer is a dog is an animal. Number 9. Los Angeles is A number, B, city, C, color, D, language. Los Angeles is A number, B, city, C, color, D, language. Answer is letter B. Los Angeles is a city. Number 10. Mr. Jones is A number, B, city, C, language, D, man. Mr. Jones is A number, B, city, C, language, D, man. Answer is letter D. It's a man. Mr. Jones is a man. Answers and explanations. Number 1 is letter C. Blue is a color. Choice C is correct. A is incorrect because blue is not a food. B is incorrect because blue is not a number. D is incorrect because blue is not a car. So, choice C is correct because blue is a color. Number 2, answer is letter A. Russia is a country. Choice A is correct. B is incorrect because Russia is not a city. C is incorrect because Russia is not a street. D is incorrect because Russia is not a number. So, choice A is correct. Russia is a country. Number 3, it's letter B. Tennis is a sport. Choice B is correct. A is incorrect because tennis is not a country. C is incorrect because tennis is not a fruit. D is incorrect because tennis is not a color. So, tennis is a sport. Choice B is correct. Number 4, answer is letter A. An apple is a fruit. Choice A is correct. B is incorrect because an apple is not a number. C is incorrect because an apple is not a language. D is incorrect because an apple is not a color. So, choice A is correct. An apple is a fruit. Number 5, answer is letter C. A rose is a plant. Choice C is correct. A is incorrect because a rose is not a food. B is incorrect because a rose is not a number. D is incorrect because a rose is not a car. So, choice C is correct. A rose is a plant. Number 6, answer is letter D. English is a language. Choice D is correct. A is incorrect because English is not a city. B is incorrect because English is not a sport. C is incorrect because English is not a number. So, choice D is correct. English is a language. Number 7 is letter B. 5 is a number. Choice B is correct. A is incorrect because 5 is not a color. B is incorrect because 5 is not a city. D is incorrect because 5 is not a language. So, choice B is correct. 5 is a number. Number 8 is letter D. A dog is an animal. Choice D is correct. A is incorrect because a dog is not a color. B is incorrect because a dog is not a country. C is incorrect because a dog is not a city. Choice D is correct. A dog is an animal. Number 9, answer is letter B. Los Angeles is a city. Choice B is correct. A is incorrect because Los Angeles is not a number. C is incorrect because Los Angeles is not a color. And letter D is incorrect because Los Angeles is not a language. Number 10, answer is letter D. Mr. Jones is a man. Choice D is correct. A is incorrect because Mr. Jones is not a number. B is incorrect because Mr. Jones is not a city. C is incorrect because Mr. Jones is not a language. So, choice D is correct. Mr. Jones is a man. So, there you go, guys. That's the end of this sentence completion 1, level 1. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.